It's vacation time here, and honestly, it's not feeling like that. Hey, what is up guys, NBASS here, and today is day 25 of Veda. Yesterday I had my last exam, and from today on, I'm having my vacation. Today actually we had college, but I prefer to stay home, so my vacation started from today. Today is my first day at home after so long. During the months of August and all, I had about 2 to 3 months of continuous vacation, and I planned filming, I planned doing short films, I planned making vlogs. I started searching for articles, I started searching web. I got a lot of new hobbies in that period. So that vacation was fun. But now, this vacation, which is going to start from today on, which is going to start from tomorrow, may not be that fun. I don't know, I'm not sure. One, I'm not gonna plan for any films this vacation. Maybe I might make, I'm not sure. You know me, I don't stick to plans all the time. As of now, there are no plans of making films in this vacation. I'd love to actually. If I'm given an opportunity, I'm ready to start filming from tomorrow on. But I'm afraid my friends might not be able to serve their time for the films. The big reason is I got my final exams right after the vacation. So my vacation ends on 25th. For example, I'm not sure when does the vacation end, I will have to find out. Okay, for example, my vacation ends up at 25th. My exams are starting from the next day on. So it's like some preparation holidays, not a vacation actually. It might be possible that my friends are not really interested to spend their time on my films during this time. To be honest with you guys, I haven't asked them yet. And by chance, if they say, yes, we can make a film in this vacation, I'm ready for it. So that's my short film update. My vacation is starting from today on, and nothing much happened today at my place. Since morning I was all alone at my home. My mom, my sister, my dad, everyone were busy with work. So I was sitting home alone. I really didn't know much what to do. I started surfing YouTube after a very long time. And then one of my friends came home. We were trying to root his phone. Not exactly rooting, I was just trying to unlock the bootloader, but that failed, I don't know why. So I will have to try that again sometime. I don't know what made me interested in doing this today, but I started watching the film The Social Network again. I just got back into the movie and was watching the movie The Social Network again. I don't know what made me see that, but I just felt like seeing it again. So I was watching the movie. The movie is done, I just came up to film today's Veda video. Oh, that's a flight. Up there. Yo, that's a flight up there. You see that moving light up top? That's an airplane. One thing I observed in the previous 2 days Veda videos, I was not actually talking about Veda topics. I just started filming what's happening in my daily life, like a vlog, and posted them on YouTube. Today I decided I'll talk about some Veda topic. Today's Veda topic to talk about is how do you pamper yourself? I'm not exactly sure how to understand that. If I understand that incorrectly, just correct me in the comments below. I'm not sure what is actually pampering yourself mean. I will have to Google it. Okay, Google. What does pampering yourself mean? It's giving me some whole different new idea. I'll better go with my idea of pampering yourself. Pampering yourself, according to me, is how do you motivate yourself. Maybe that would be a definition. So how do I motivate myself? One thing, I believe nothing is permanent. Whatever I do, it's going to be temporary. For example, I'm in one of the worst situations I've ever been into before. If I'm in that critical situation, the only thing I do is take a pen and paper and start writing, this is temporary. I sometimes put them in double quotes for more intensity. If I'm working on a computer at that time, when I'm feeling so low, I start typing, this is temporary. That makes me feel, oh, come on, this is temporary. This is not gonna stay forever. Why spend so much time bothering about something that is temporary? So I slowly start to move on that situation, and I slowly come out of that grief or whatever you call. So that's my strategy of doing it. That's my style of doing it. This is temporary. That's what I do. And this, sometimes I forget, but this is something I actually started to make a habit of. Even when I'm extremely happy, when I'm so happy about something, when I'm really in love with my life, even then I started to make a habit. I take a pen and paper and write, this is temporary. not to feel in a negative way, but still I just control my emotions and say this happy moments may not stay with you forever. This is me. I'm not a person who limits everything. I'm not a person who lives with a limitation. I'm not a person who decides, okay, this should be my limit and I should work so on. There are a lot of people around me who say that. That's true, that's good. Anything off limit is really bad. But me, I'm not a person with limits. This is what people around me say. There should always be a limitation. Anything without a limit is going to be a problem. Of course, it's true. Anything beyond limit may turn into a problem, a big disaster sometimes. But still, I don't know, my mindset is something like, if I love doing something, I keep doing it until I lose that love. For example, video making. This became a habit of me in my class 9. And it still sticks to me. Maybe I do it often sometimes or rarely sometimes, but this habit still sticks to me. Some people said, why do you upload one video every day? There are going to be hardly 7 or 10 views per video, so why do you keep doing this? And there are not many people who are watching your videos. Why do you do it? Because I love to do it. That's it. That's pretty much it. There's nothing more. The fact that there are 7 people watching my video, that keeps me happy because I'm talking to 7 people right now. 7, 10, 30, numbers don't matter much. What matters is the interest. This is what I love doing, I keep doing it. Sometimes even it's 11:30 in the midnight, I come up, film my Veda video, finish it, that's it. Sometimes I'm late uploading the video. Okay, this video is gonna be huge because I already made 3 to 4 rounds around my terrace. Okay, never mind. So I wake up next day morning, I edit that and try to put that up on the internet. So this is something that interests me, sharing my views, sharing my thoughts. Sharing my opinions on things. There are people who are listening to me, then why not I speak? So this is what keeps me motivated. Whenever I'm happy, whenever I'm so sad, I start writing, this is temporary. Give it a shot. I might suggest you do the same. If you're needing motivation at some point of your time, maybe you're watching this video and you need a little bit of Kickstarter, you might need some little bit of a push from back, like, okay, I'm sick now, I don't want to do this now, like that. Then take a pen and paper, now do it now. Search for a pen and paper around you. Take that pen in your hand and start writing, this is temporary. I don't know who told this to me, I don't think so somebody ever have told this to me. This is something that came in instinctively. Take a pen and paper and start writing, this is temporary. Honestly, I feel so happy after writing that. I feel so light, I feel like, oh yeah, this is temporary, so why should I bother so much? And that's what keeps me motivated, and that's how I motivate myself. This is temporary. Okay, this might be from one of the Bollywood movie ideas. The movie name is Three Idiots. Three Idiots, you heard it right. There is a concept in the film that says, whenever you feel worried about something, put your hand on your heart and say, all is well. All is well. Everything's fine. That's a nice concept in the movie. If you're a Hindi person, you might have already watched that movie, I'm pretty sure. If you're an Indian, okay, for that reason, you might have watched the movie, let alone a Hindi person. You might have watched the movie before. If you're not an Indian, go check about that movie on YouTube. You might find it with subtitles too. So the movie name is Three Idiots. IDIOTS, idiots, yeah, Three Idiots. So that's this concept in the movie, all is well. That's another thing that can keep you motivated. So my strategy is, this is temporary. Start writing it. It really helps. And yeah, I actually spoke so much today, right? I don't know how long this video is. Like, that doesn't show up on my video camera. I'll find out after editing how long my video has been. I'm pretty sure it's more than 6 or 7 minutes, is it? Okay, anyway, I'm prolonging the video more. Okay, that's pretty much it. I've made around 6 to 7 rounds around my rooftop today. That's pretty much it. That's the end of today's Veda video. You can check my previous videos here, and if you want to check more of my videos, you can subscribe to my channel. I'm 102 subscribers last night. I'm happy. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.